Hey there, you've seen it, you've heard about it, and now we are here live. Truth Be Told podcast is now on YouTube, and I'm sure you're really excited about it. You've been hearing us all this while, and now we are live here in your visuals. You are live here in your screens, and I hope you've subscribed already. Hope you've called every village people of yours to also subscribe, and also click on the bell up there for you to get the notifications whenever it comes in. Yeah, so I'm sure that you guys can't wait to see the first episode. It's really going to be an amazing ride seeing us here. So I hope to see you as well. Blessings.